Hello everybody, I'm Tyler Rogan with Power Wash Academy. Today I'm going to take a couple minutes and show you the benefits of using a proportioner valve system. When you're soft washing, there's a couple different ways you can do it as far as mixing up your cleaning solution and applying it to whatever you're going to be cleaning. The first method, which is a little more basic, a little cheaper way to get in, if you're just getting into this, it would be one big tank for a batch mix. What batch mixing means is that you're going to make essentially one batch of chemical to do the job for you, and hope that you get the mixture and get it all balanced out correctly for what you're going to be cleaning. So for batch mixing, say we're going to use a system like this, we're going to fill it up with so much sodium hypochlorite, top it off the rest of it with water, and then lastly add a little bit of surfactant into the mix. You'll need to calculate your ratios for that to determine how strong your mix is going to be in a batch mix. While you're washing a house or a roof, you may determine that the mix isn't quite doing its job, or maybe it's a little bit too strong. In that case, you're going to have to go back to the truck, start adding more chemical, or start adding more water to your mix, try it again and see if that's doing the trick. So that can be a little time consuming, but there is a better way. And so if you're using a proportioning valve system, the Sidewinder Pro, if we are washing a roof, the chemical is not quite strong enough or it's too strong, all it takes is a little adjustment of these valves and you're going to be able to strengthen or weaken that on the fly. One of these valves is going to go to each of the liquids that are going to be in your soft wash mix. We've got one for water, one for sodium hypochlorite, and lastly, this one's going to go to your surfactant. It's going to be a big time saver, and it will save you some chemical in the long run to keep you from spraying too strong of a mix on the house. But as I mentioned, we've got three different valves here. We do have a demo unit here, so I can kind of show you. We've got our big tank, which is going to be our water. We've got another tank, which is going to be our sodium hypochlorite, and the smaller tank for your surfactant. And like I say, each one of these, the smaller valve is going to go to your surfactant. Smaller diameter hose, it needs to draw soap less than it would need to draw the water or the sodium hypochlorite. Next up in the mix is a little bit larger hose going to your sodium hypochlorite. And then lastly, you've got your full-size hose going to your water tank. They've got a good lifespan. If you take care of them, rinse them out after you're done washing, and they should last you quite a while. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out a little bit in understanding the purpose of using a proportional valve system. And once again, I'm Tyler Rogan with Power Wash Academy. And I wanted to mention, if you want some hands-on training, you want to learn how to wash roofs and houses and how to run your power washing and soft washing equipment, we do offer a class that I'll teach you how to do all of that and do it in the proper way and avoid any mistakes that almost everybody's going to make as a newcomer into the industry. So check us out, powerwashacademy.com. You can reach out to Debbie at this phone number right here, and she'll get you set up and get us into our next class. We're doing that quarterly. We do have a class coming up soon. So reach out to Debbie if you'd like to get signed up for our next class. Thanks for washing with us. So reach out if you'd like to get taught by the best. I can't call myself the best. Psh. You may have to clip that little tiny bit out of there where I call myself the best. Is specifically for the type of system that you're using. Thanks for washing with us. Who's on the tape gun? It's all good. I'll redo the whole thing. Don't worry. I got nothing but time.